Okay, family, let's make dinner. And not just any dinner. We're making jerk tamarind chicken wings with sweet potato fries and Jamaican-style coleslaw. First things first, if you wash your meat, go ahead and wash those wings with vinegar and lemon or lime juice. Rinse until the water runs clear. If that's not your ministry, you can skip it. There are no debates in my kitchen today. Now take your knife and place small incisions into the wings. And yes, we're doing this on purpose. We want the chicken seasoned to the bone and not just on the surface. We're not here for bland chicken. In a bowl, season your wings. You can use your favorite all-purpose or chicken seasoning or keep it simple with salt and pepper. And a little browning for that deep color. Massage everything in, get in there and show that chicken some love. You can let it marinate for an hour, but listen to me. It's a weeknight and I'm trying to get out of the kitchen, so we're moving with intention and we're moving quick. Line a baking sheet with foil or perhaps not. Add your wings, cover, and bake at 400 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. While that's being worked on in the oven, let's handle these sweet potatoes. Peel and cut them into fries. Toss them with oil and salt. Then you're going to preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Add your fries in batches. Don't overcrowd. We want crispy, not steamed. Air fry for 15 minutes, shaken halfway through. Simple and perfect. Now let's make that sauce because this is where everything comes together. In a saucepan, you're going to saute garlic and ginger in butter until fragrant. Then add tamarind or tamarind, like we call it in Jamaica. Add tamarind concentrate and jerk marinade. And yes, I have a jerk chicken video where I show you exactly how to make that jerk marinade. See? Tamarind is naturally sour, so we're balancing it with some agave syrup. Taste as you go because you want it to be sweet, tangy, and a little spicy. This is a little soy sauce that I'm adding, and don't you worry, I will leave the recipe down in the description bar below. And like I said, taste as you go. Let it simmer until slightly thickened. Now it's time for us to check on our wings after 30 to 35 minutes. We're going to flip them and return to the oven uncovered for another 15 minutes so it can build that flavor. Once they're done, you're going to dip each wing into the tamarind sauce or pour it all over if you're feeling bold. But remember those incisions we made earlier? That sauce is getting all up in there. Now place them under the broiler for about 5 minutes. This step right here, that's what gives it that sticky, glossy, finger-licking finish. Now look at that. Just beautiful. Let's work on the coleslaw. Jamaican style. No mayonnaise. In a bowl, we're going to combine shredded cabbage and carrots. For the vinaigrette, we're going to use white vinegar, agave, or sugar for sweetness, a little sweet chili sauce. This is optional, but it gives a little kick. Salt and oil. Combine everything and pour it over your coleslaw, then toss it well. It's giving fresh, it's giving crisp, it cuts through the richness of those chicken wings perfectly. Now let's plate our meal. Wings on one side, sweet potato fries in the middle. Gosh, I love some sweet potato fries. Coleslaw on the other side. Tell me this doesn't look like a restaurant plate. Let's look at how easy that meat comes off the bone. Tender, juicy, sticky, sweet, spicy. So delicious. If you're loving these bold dishes, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? We're bringing flavor to the table and a little sass to the kitchen, okay? So go ahead and make this. Tag me when you do, because takeout is cute, but homemade is better.